Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix remote computer requires network level authentication on your computer. So for this guys, go to start and open your Windows settings. Wait here guys for open the settings and now select the system option and scroll down here, select the last one about, click on, and the next guys you select the advanced system settings, click here. Next select here remote, go to remote tab, and now here guys you can see allow remote connection to this computer. Enable this option, you select this option and select the OK, and check this allow connections only from computer running remote desktop with network level authentication. You check this option. After click on apply and click on OK. Now guys you restart your computer. Hopefully this will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.